Okay, this is the safety review for the Capstone machine shop. And the first thing is Capstone student, when you come in on open shop hours, which will be this semester would be approximately 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. at night on Monday through Thursday, and possibly a Sunday afternoon as we proceed into the semester. When you come in the evenings after you've taken this test, after watching this video, you're going to sign in, name, you're going to pick a badge number, you're going to be using hand tools. You'll take that badge and you're going to have a number, you're going to put that on this. You're going to either be using the manual machines or welding. So for the welding shop. So you're going to take one of these batches, put your number down. You're going to also put down what piece of equipment you're using. Each machine is numbered out in the shop. You're going to put a time in and a time out. Now when you check out, each machine has to be clean, and then the TA who's in charge that night, we usually have 2 TAs, will check your workstation. So don't wait till 10 o'clock to clean up. He'll probably call cleanup at 9:30 at the latest. But if you leave at 8, don't just leave and leave it dirty. You've got to clean up the machine because we're going to use the machines. Multiple people will be on the machines. Time on the machines will get very tight this semester. We have a lot of students, so try to use your time efficiently. So check in and check out. If there's any safety questions about oils or WD-40, you've got something in your eye, we have an MSDS sheets here, material safety data sheets, and those can tell you what to do in an emergency, what's an irritant. We don't have very many solvents in the shop or aerosols, so I try to keep that to a minimum. So there's only a couple of oils, and you're probably used to using those. But if you got one in your eye or something, that's where you want to go. Hearing protection is right up front. We have some safety glasses, more or less condition unknown. Bring your own would be advisable. I think you're required to have it if you're an ME or MET. So I've got lots of earplugs if it's noisy. Eye protection. I'm just going to walk through the shop. I'll tell you what typically you're going to be doing. You're going to sign in. You're going to pick a machine, work with your group. You can gather here, do some homework, but just make sure this is all clean. Dr. John's area for teaching. We've got wash station, of course. You've probably been here for that. Hand washing. Anything that's a solvent or cleaner is in these yellow cabinets. Oils, cutting oils here. You've used these in earlier labs probably. Clean rags and cutting oil for steel, cutting oil for aluminum, red. Bluing dye we've got in here. Lubricating oils, you probably won't need to deal with that. Dirty rags can go in the dirty rag cans here. These are brought in every week, so we'll try and keep a stock of those. And one of the things you're probably going to come in to do first is pick up your tooling. So we have a variety of cutters. They might be more or less sharp or dull, so you're going to have to just kind of gauge that by your experience. And pick cutters, drills. Please put the drills back in the cabinets if you pick one out. Letter sizes, number sizes, and fractionals. And taps over here. Tap handles, all the shadow board stuff here. Try to put it back if you can. And these cabinets have your typical lathe tooling and milling tooling. So everything should be in these 2 rolling cabinets right here. If you need any fasteners, you'll have to talk to the TAs. There's a limited selection of fasteners. Your Capstone should have purchased those at hardware store or McMaster car or one of those sources. Okay, try and clean up after you're done. Got garbage cans, brooms, everything you need there. When we get into the shop use, I'd like to do a little demonstration on the mill and the lathe. We'll start with lathe. So, you want to stop it there for a second?